Whether you're missing the wizarding world or merely a muggle that has never even heard of butterbeer, you will love this delicious concoction. Despite being chilled, there is just something about this treat that screams fall and Halloween to me. But this recipe is super simple and can be enjoyed year-round. The best part is, this recipe takes just 3 ingredients. Thanks for joining me. I'm Amanda with Amanda's Answers. Today's recipe is butterbeer, and it is very easy to make. You can enjoy this tasty treat at home without having to make a trip to Hogwarts or to Universal Studios. The ingredients are simple. It takes about 4 cups of cream soda. Half of that is going to be chilled and half of that frozen. 1.5 cups of whipped cream, thawed. 4 tablespoons of butterscotch ice cream topping. 2 tablespoons of this is going to go in the drink and 2 tablespoons as the topping, and you'll want a little bit more for garnish. You don't have to be exact on the measurements. The biggest thing here is ratio. You want about half of it chilled and about half of the cream soda frozen. And the brands don't matter either. Here I'm using Cool Whip and A&W cream soda. I usually buy the 2 liters. All they had is the cans, but either way is fine. And then for the ice cream topping, I usually use the Smucker's butterscotch flavored sundae syrup, but whatever brand that you find, I'm sure it'll work just as well. So you're going to take half of your cream soda and you're going to want to freeze it. You can do this in ice cube trays, but if you don't have those, small cups like little Dixie cups will work as well. So long as you get about half or slightly more than half of your cream soda frozen, then you're going to take about 1.5 cups of Cool Whip or other whipped topping. You're going to want this thawed, and then pour in 2 tablespoons of the butterscotch sundae topping. Then you're going to want to just fold that in lightly. You don't want to over whip it or it will lose the consistency. I do this before I make the drink itself because that way I can just set it aside, and once the frozen drink is ready, I can top it right away without having to wait. The amounts that I have here are for about 2 to 3 servings. If you are serving a larger group or a big family, you can easily use 2 liters and just freeze up 1 of the 2 liters, and the other 2 liter, just put that in the refrigerator and chill it really good. So you're going to put your ice cubes into your blender and then pour about 2 tablespoons of the butterscotch topping into the blender, and then just right on top of that, pour in your chilled cream soda. I keep it really chilled. Sometimes I even put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes beforehand. It just gives extra consistency to the drink. So then you're just going to place your lid on and then blend it. I do have a frozen mug here. I do this because it really helps with the aesthetics and just the look of it all, and it keeps the drink nice and chilled too. So once it gets to this consistency, you're just going to want to pour it into your cup. Nice and simple. If you don't have a chilled cup, that's okay, but I fill it up almost to the top and then leave a little bit of room there for your topping. If you're doing this for kids, you might want to leave a little bit more room so the topping doesn't go over the side. Next, you're going to want to take the topping mixture that you have, the whipped cream, and just pile it up on top. I like to put a lot of it on there, and this just really adds to it. I love the taste of it. And you know, I know some people say they don't like butterscotch, but butterbeer, although it uses butterscotch in it, it doesn't come out tasting like butterscotch. You might not want to put this drizzle on top if you don't like butterscotch, but you know, my husband and other people have tried this that say they don't like butterscotch have absolutely loved it. For some reason, the way that these ingredients combine, they just take on a whole new magical flavor of their own, and it is just absolutely delicious. I hope that you will try this recipe. Let me know how it turns out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I really hope that you'll like and subscribe to my channel for many more videos coming at you very soon. Again, this is Amanda with Amanda's Answers, and you have a wonderful day. Bye!